Unlock the power of captivating web design without writing a single line of code, right here in Webflow. First, let's dive into Webflow's intuitive interface. Start by opening a new project. In your dashboard, you'll be greeted by the blank canvas, ready for your creative vision. On the left, you'll find the navigator. Think of this as your website's blueprint, organizing all your elements. Below that, explore the Add Elements panel, perfect for dragging and dropping sections, headings, images, and more onto your canvas. Now, let's talk design principles. Good design starts with structure. Add a new section. Then drag a container inside it. On the right, the style panel is where the magic happens. Here, you can adjust padding for spacing, set margins for element positioning, and choose your background colors. For images, simply drag and drop them onto your canvas. Use the style panel to easily resize, round corners, and add shadows for that professional touch. Remember, consistency in styling elevates your design. The true power of Webflow lies in its responsiveness. Look at the top of your screen. You'll see icons representing different device breakpoints: desktop, tablet, and mobile. Click each one to preview your design. As you switch views, notice how Webflow intelligently adjusts your layout. You can fine-tune specific elements for each device. For instance, you might want a smaller font size on mobile or a stack layout for your columns to ensure readability and a seamless user experience, no matter the screen size. Once you're happy with your masterpiece across all devices, hit the Publish button. You've now built a professional, responsive website without a single line of code. Empower yourself with Webflow and start building today.